లేటెస్ట్ న్యూస్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం తెలంగాణ 99 ని ఇప్పుడే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
Thank you all of us for being here. Now, what we have here is the first Indian design developed COVID ventilator, COVID specific. Now, there are many types of ventilators. They are CPAP machines, BiPAP machines, mechanized bamboo bags. But what we need for COVID is not merely a machine which will make a patient breathe and breathe out. We need a machine that has the ability to oxygenate the patient blood. So now what is this COVID ventilator? And we all know there's a ventilator shortage throughout the world, including the advanced countries, United States, Italy, UK. They are all ventilator manufacturers. Even they have a shortage. So what type of ventilator can solve these critical patients who have coronavirus, patients with ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome? So an ICU ventilator definitely can solve that problem. An ICU ventilator can be used on critical COVID patients, but ICU ventilators are expensive and it takes a long time to manufacture, and there's a supply chain issue. So UK government was the first government in the world to come up with what is called as a specifications, minimum specifications, which will give clinical benefits to a coronavirus patient. After that, Australian government and Canadian government and US also came up with emergency use authorization for FDA. And subsequently, of course, the government of India was very proactive. They also came up with what is called as essential features for a COVID ventilator. Now, this particular machine is the first machine designed and developed. Other than the ICU machines that are there worldwide and one or two manufacturers in India, they also can supply COVID ventilators. But this is the first one that is newly developed specifically in this period to fight coronavirus. One, the ventilator should be able to do all this function, not merely pushing the. Why? That's because for normal patients, it will merely pushing the air into the lungs and it will oxygenate the blood. But for a COVID patient or a pneumonia patient or patient with ARDS, the alveolus, there are 600 million of them, gets inflamed. They are coated with, they are filled with alveolar fluid, and so the oxygen has to penetrate the alveolar fluid through the alveolus into the blood vessels to oxygenate. So you need pressure. But if you give pressure, the alveolus get damaged, what is called as a ventilator-induced injury. So you have to give pressure without injuring the patient. Now that is possible only through ICU ventilators and ventilators designed for treating COVID patients, not just a bamboo bag squeezing machine or a CPAP machine or a BiPAP machine. So this is what it requires. And how do we do it? The PIP, the peak input pressure, the plateau pressure, the peak end, the end expiratory pressure, all these have to be managed. And you need additional features like oxygen breath.
May I request you to look into this camera as well?
Yeah. So it should be able to control all these parameters and have all the safety features. Then they have additional features. This ventilator has features beyond the basic features which the UK government, Canadian and the Indian government has features more than that. You can actually do alveolar recruitment maneuver, and probably it can also do the oxygen breath, and it has about 5-6 different modes of ventilation. So that's how this particular. Now the crux or the heart of this ventilation, besides the controlling mechanism, which is electronics and software, is what we have applied for patent is what is called as a PAP, a precision air pump, because it has a chamber to control the volume and a chamber to control the pressure. So both the pressures are this thing, and that is actually at the back of this here, the PAP. We have the PAP here, the precision air pump, and that is what is patented. And then once you have that, you don't have to depend on very expensive regulators and sensors which are in soft supply. The supply chain of which is a problem. It takes 7 months for some of these sensors and regulators to be delivered to us. So it doesn't require very expensive and sophisticated pressure and flow regulators. It is made from, lot of these are industrial parts available in most part of the developed and the developing world. Now, we have three different models of these ventilators. One is what you're seeing is the high end with all kinds of touch control screens and graphics and other things. This is a little more expensive one which costs about 1.4 lakhs or so. Then to 1.2 lakhs, we have a lower end, mid end one which is about 90,000 Indian rupees. That's a little more than let's say 1,000 pounds. And the lowest end will be like 50,000 rupees. And that is probably about 500 pounds or a little more than 500 pounds. So this is a ventilator which can be used in different parts of the world, not just in India. And it meets all the specifications for fighting coronavirus.
ఈ వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే తెలంగాణ 99 ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం గంట కొట్టడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.